Several terrorists have been neutralized.
Let's talk about road safety during this festive season. Now, if you're a party lover and love your bottle, then watch out. Traffic police are under firm instructions to use the dreaded alcoblow as well as speed guns over the festive season in a bid to reduce road accidents. Traffic Commandant Frederick Ochieng says most of the accidents are caused by careless and drunk driving as well as speeding. He announced this in Embu today, even as Matatu Owners Association called on motorists to be more careful and observe road traffic rules. Wanjiko Wanjiru with the details.
Achieving zero traffic accidents during this festive season is a collective responsibility by various stakeholders, from passengers, motorists, pedestrians, law enforcers and the government. National Police Service Traffic Commandant Frederick Ochieng has said that traffic police officers will be braced with speed guns and alcohol blows to ensure drivers are sober when driving and that they also observe speed limits. He was speaking during a meeting with National Police Service units aimed at coming up with tight measures to ensure road safety during the festive season.
Na kuna pia waendeshaji ya magari ambao saa zingine wanaendesha magari wakiwa walevi. Wakati huu tumejipanga, tuko na hiyo mambo ya alcohol blow. Itakuwa ina test kila mwendeshaji akiwa kwa barabara. Na pia tuko na mambo ya speed gun ambayo itakuwa inatumika na officers wa traffic kwa barabara fulani mahali zinakuanga na majali, ambayo zitakuwa inaweza kuona gari kwa distance fulani na ile speed ambayo inaendeshwa.
The traffic boss added that his department will also liaise with the judiciary to ensure traffic cases are dispensed with quickly.
Tunafanya kazi pamoja such that kama kuna makosa zimekuwa detected na ziko mingi, saa zingine hata tunaweza enda beyond, tunaongea na courts zinaweza enda beyond hours, na huwa tunataka kwamba hatutaki kuinconvenience other road users. So kama makosa imetendeka, apeleke kotini mara moja na ahudumiwe.
But even as he spoke in Embu, Matatu Owners Association has prevailed upon drivers and other motorists to adhere to traffic regulations. The association's president, Albert Karakacha, has also encouraged passengers to report reckless drivers to relevant authorities.
We are urging our passengers wherever they are, if they see any driver overspeeding, they need to report to the SACCO or they can report to the police station so that we can be able to work as Kenyans, because we know very well right now the economy is not doing very well. People are suffering here and there, but we want to work as Kenyans so that next year we see how we can be together and we continue being together.
Pedestrians have also been urged to be more careful when crossing on the road and to use designated areas like zebra crossing and footbridge. Wanjiko Wanjiru, KTN.
CBC enters